Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is part B chemistry. This is practice paper number 4 part 2, that is part B chemistry. Let us answer the questions. The part B start from 7th question. In the previous video we have answered for practice, that is practice paper number 4 part A physics. Now let us see what is the first question in part B chemistry. So lead reacts with copper chloride to form lead chloride and copper. This chemical reaction is an example for combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement. Among these four, displacement reaction is the right answer because lead is more reactive than copper. Therefore, lead displaces copper. So for seventh question, the right answer is option C, displacement reaction. Option C, displacement reaction. So now let us move for 8th question. So the solution with highest hydrogen ion concentration when each substance is dissolved in 10 ml of water: sodium chloride, potassium hydroxide, lemon juice and hydrochloric acid. So among these four, so which solution will have the highest hydrogen ion concentration? That is HCl, because it is a strong acid. So now for 8th question, the option D is the right answer, that is hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid. So now let us move for the 7th main. So 7th main, first question is, manufacturers of chips flush the pockets of chips with nitrogen gas. Why? So let us answer this question, because this is 9th question. Because to avoid because to avoid oxidation, or because to avoid rancidity. So rancidity anta baradru marks barutte, avoid oxidation anta baradru kuda you will get the marks. So now let us move for 8th main. So let us see the 8th main, that is 10th question. So 8th main, 10th question is, give two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. So let us give two important uses of washing soda and baking soda. So now let us let us write baking soda. So what is the important use of baking soda? So it is used in bakery. It is used in bakery to make bread, soft and fluffy. To make bread soft and fluffy, we are using baking soda in bakery. Then the second use of baking soda is, it is used as a soda acid. It is used as a soda acid fire extinguisher. Soda acid fire extinguisher. So this is the two important uses of baking soda. Now let us write the two importance of washing soda. So what are the importance of washing soda? So washing soda is used, it is used in making, or it is used in softening. It is used in softening hard water. So hard water na soft madadike we are using washing soda. Second one, it is used in the manufacture of, it is used in the manufacture of, it is used in the manufacture of paper, glass. It is used in the manufacture of paper, glass industry. These are the two uses of washing soda. So now let us move for the 11th question. So 11th question is like this. In one of the industrial processes used for manufacture of sodium hydroxide, a gas X is formed as a byproduct. The gas X reacts with lime water to give a compound Y, which is used as a bleaching agent in many chemical industry. So we have to identify X and Y with suitable reason. So now let us answer this question. So in one of the industrial processes used for manufacture of sodium hydroxide, a gas X is formed. So this is the 11th question. So gas, the name of the gas is X, and that X gas is Cl2, that is chlorine gas. And this chlorine gas, when it is passed through calcium, that is lime water, when chlorine is passed through lime water, it forms calcium CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride plus water. This calcium oxychloride is called as, it is the product, and the product is called as bleaching powder. So now, so in one of the industrial process used for manufacture of sodium hydroxide ನ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್. ಈ ಕ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್, this X gas, when it reacts with lime water, it forms a compound Y, and the name of that compound Y compound is called as bleaching powder, CaOCl2. CaOCl2 is calcium oxychloride. That calcium oxychloride is bleaching powder, and this compound Y is used as a bleaching agent in chemical industry. So bleaching agent is bleaching powder. And identify X and Y with suitable reason. So X is chlorine gas and Y is bleaching powder. So like this we have to answer this question. Now let us move for question number 12. So in the question number 12 they have given a diagram. Draw a diagram showing the reaction of zinc granules with dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen gas by burning, and label the following parts. So you have to label zinc granules and delivery tube. So now let us move for 10th main, that is this is a diagram question. Now let us move for the 10th main, 13th question. So in that one, A, what is redox reaction? Then MnO2 plus 4HCl give rise to MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. Identify the reduced and oxidized substance in this reaction. So in that one only, one more question is there. Write the chemical equation for the following reaction. Hydrogen reacts with chlorine to form hydrogen chloride, and potassium bromide reacts with barium iodide to form potassium iodide and barium bromide. So now let us answer both the questions. So in the 13th first question, what is redox reaction? So first let us answer that one. What is redox reaction? So what is meant by redox reaction? A reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. So if both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously, such a reaction is called redox reaction. So both will take place simultaneously. So this is the answer for the first question. In that one only they have given, so MnO2 plus let us write that equation. MnO2 plus 4HCl give rise to MnCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. So here in this question, identify the reduced and the oxidized substance. ಇಲ್ಲಿ MnO2 is reduced to MnO2 is reduced MnO2 is reduced to MnCl2 and HCl is oxidized to water. So manganese dioxide is reduced to manganese chloride and hydrochloric acid is oxidized to water. So this is the reaction. This is what the substance is oxidized and what is reduced. In this reaction, both is taking place. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ oxidation ಉಂಟಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, reduction ಉಂಟಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ simultaneously. Therefore, this is also an example for redox reaction. So redox reaction is a reaction in which both oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. So now let us balance the given chemical equations. So here two equations are there. Let us balance both of them. Hydrogen plus chlorine give rise to hydrogen chloride. So H2 plus Cl2 give rise to HCl. Here 2 hydrogen is there, 2 chlorine is there. So to make LHS is equal to RHS, if I put here 2 HCl, H2Cl2. Now the equation is balanced. So H2 plus Cl2 give rise to 2HCl. So it is a balanced chemical equation. So now let us move for this one. Potassium bromide KBr plus barium iodide BaI2 give rise to potassium iodide Ki plus barium bromide BaBr2. So now here iodine 2 is there, but here iodine 1 is there. Here bromide 2 is there, but here bromide only 1 is there. To make it that is here 2 bromide is there. To make it here also 2, you put 2 here, 2 KBr. So when I put 2 for Br, then for K also it will become 2. So 2 KBr plus BaI2 give rise to, so if I write 2 here, so here also I should write 2 Ki plus BaBr2. Now you observe 2K, here 2K is there, I2 is there, then Br2 is there, then Ba1. So 2KBr plus BaI2 give rise to 2Ki plus BaBr2. So this is how to balance the given chemical equation. So like this we have to balance it. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೀಗ balance ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So like this we have to answer the part B chemistry of practice paper number 4. In the next video we are going to answer part C biology. So till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. Thank you very much.